Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes. Today, we're exploring a deeply spiritual and energizing form of yoga, Kundalini Yoga. If you're seeking a practice that connects your body, mind, and soul, Kundalini might be exactly what you need. Let's dive into the transformative benefits of this ancient practice. Through powerful breath techniques like pranayama, Kundalini Yoga helps boost your energy levels and reduce stress. The breathing practices are designed to balance your nervous system and clear your mind, leaving you feeling more centered and grounded. With regular practice, many people report increased mental clarity and emotional stability. Kundalini Yoga is also known for its spiritual and emotional benefits. Chanting mantras, like the well-known Satnam, helps focus your mind and elevate your consciousness. This practice can help release deep-seated emotions, clear mental blocks, and create a greater sense of peace and purpose in your life. Physically, Kundalini Yoga improves flexibility and strength through repetitive movements and focused poses. It activates your core and spine, helping to build stability and stamina. But unlike other forms of yoga, Kundalini's primary focus is on the inner journey, unlocking your full potential and aligning your energy. So, if you're looking to awaken your inner energy, find emotional balance, and connect with a deeper sense of purpose, Kundalini Yoga could be the perfect practice for you. Thanks for joining us on this spiritual journey today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Unwind Vibes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of peace and inspiration.